Hi guys, so we can see that how yesterday what we have analysis and how market works. You can see that in Dow Jones, guys. You can see here exactly here only taken support. Our first target also reached, guys. Second target also reached. Third target almost reached. You can see that, guys. I have also told you if it will breaks and take support, because this is act as a support and resistance. Taken support and our first target, second target both. If you have shorted your put also, you have got very nice money, guys. If you have buyed a future also, you have got very nice. In if you have buyed a call, guys, then slowly it goes upside, so it also gives us very nice target, guys. You can see here NASDAQ also what we have discussed, exactly taken here only resistance. You can see that exactly I have told you here only it will take a support, then you can go for your first target, second target, guys. You can easily see that you have got two targets, and third target also reached, but here consolidation happens, that's why it doesn't reach. Small only target, but our 2.5 target has been completely reached in NASDAQ 2. In Russell 3000 also, guys, you can see that open flatly. After that it taken support from here only previous day low. Then you can see that first target also reached, second target also, third target too, and fourth target slightly only it has been closed. You can see that how nicely our analysis has been behaved here. Also you can see here, guys, we have discussed that SPX also. You can see that here only consolidate, that's why it's taken somewhere here only support. Okay guys, after that it our reaches our first target, second target, all the target. You can see that now it acting as a resistance, guys. Okay guys, we can see some stocks like Tesla. You can see that in Tesla whole day it become now very much volatile. Okay guys, in Microsoft also, you can see that here only I have told you this will be the line. You can see that how much buyer and seller has been fighting here. After that it continuously taking a here support, and after that you can see that our first target also reached, second target also reached. Okay guys, now it's taking a support and going upside momentum. Okay guys, in Apple also it opens a slightly gap up only. After that it taken resistance, it came once again downside. After that two times it has been almost touched here, and this is the third time. Okay guys, after that it broke, it is coming for a supporting area and continuously making a upside momentum. Okay guys, we can see for today how we can trade in index and some stocks, guys. Okay guys, we can see for today how the index will trade. You can see that Dow Jones. Okay guys, right now you can see here what happened is that it is continuously taking here resistance. If it will break, then your first target will be here and second target, but it act as resistance, so you can carefully trade. After that you can see that your first target and second target. Okay guys, if gap up open or something happened, then only. If it open a flat, then you can see that, guys, if it will take a resistance, then our first target will be here, guys, second target will be somewhere here, guys. Okay guys, we can see for third target too, guys, up till here, guys. Okay guys, we can see NASDAQ. Okay guys, NASDAQ it broken its resistance area. Right now it's came for upside momentum. Okay guys, if it will once again take a resistance from somewhere here and take support, okay guys, you can go for these are the upside momentum, guys. Okay guys, you can go for these target, guys. Okay guys, we can see in downside too, guys. I will just shift this. Okay guys, you can see here, guys, it is continuously. You can see this, guys, NASDAQ our first target will be here, guys, second, third and fourth target, guys. Okay guys, if it will take resistance from here, our first target is second target. If once again taken resistance, third, fourth and fifth target, guys. Okay guys, we can see in for Russell 3000, you can see here it is came for a resistance only. So if it breaks and takes support, our first target will be here, second, third and fourth target, guys. Okay guys, in downside also we can discuss. If it will take resistance, our first target will be here, second, guys, third and fourth target, guys. These are the four target, guys. Okay guys, we can see next SPX 500, guys. You can see here, guys, what we have discussed at that time only. That only we have to see it down. If it will take support from here, guys, our first target, second and third, guys. Okay guys, if it came downside, once again taken resistance, then our first target, guys, second and third target, guys. Okay guys, you can go for these all target, guys, for SPX, guys. Also we can see in HGX, you can see here it is from upside also resistance, and here is support. It became today very much volatile, and this also act as support. So just see the today's momentum, guys. After that we can trade. Today we haven't traded in HGX, so better in that. Okay guys, we can see Tesla stock, guys. In Tesla you can see that it is continuously consolidating right now, so our target will be those only. I will just make a this trend line, guys. After this trend line you can see that I will just shift this. Okay, if it will break and take support from here, our first target, second and third target, guys. Okay guys, we can see these target, and downside also you can, what we have discussed, these only our downside target too, guys. Okay guys, in next stock also we can see in Microsoft, it is continuously taking a here only a support at trend line, so this will be our resistance area. If today it will break, then our target will be somewhere, if break and take support, our first target, second and third target, guys. Okay guys, if today it will take somewhere here a resistance, and then this will be broken, then our first target will be here, guys, second target, and our final fourth target, guys. Okay guys, these are the target for Microsoft. We can see in Apple too, guys. In Apple you can see that it consolidate right now and brooks in upside momentum. So we can see for upside momentum, if once again it will take somewhere here support, then our first target will be here, guys, second target, guys, third and fourth. Okay guys, in downside too we can discuss is that if take a resistance from here, it came take and resistance, our first immediate target will be somewhere here, guys, second target, guys, third target and our fourth target, guys. Okay guys, some type messy is there, sorry for that, but it is important because we have to know that yesterday and day after yesterday what happened in market, so I will not remove that thing. So hope you like this video. Please go and subscribe my channel, guys, and you can join my Discord server and Telegram channel. There I will post so many videos. Right now index is very much volatile, guys, that's why I am not making any investment related any video, guys. When index will be settled, then I will definitely make a investment video also, guys. Thank you, guys.